Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Figma with GitHub. Connecting your design and development tools creates a seamless workflow, enhancing team collaboration and efficiency. We will explore various methods to link your Figma design files directly to your GitHub repositories. This integration helps ensure that development always uses the most current design, reducing discrepancies and speeding up project delivery. It's about bringing design and code closer together for better outcomes. There are several effective ways to integrate Figma with GitHub. One popular method involves using specialized third-party plugins that create a direct link, automating asset synchronization. Alternatively, teams can establish a manual process, exporting design assets like SVG or PNG files from Figma and committing them to GitHub. Another powerful approach is to host your design system documentation directly within a GitHub repository, ensuring developers have immediate access to design specifications and components. Setting up your integrated workflow involves a few key steps. First, identify and install the appropriate Figma plugins or GitHub applications that facilitate the connection. Next, configure your GitHub repository settings to properly handle and display design file updates, perhaps using specific branches for design changes. Finally, establish a robust version control strategy for your design assets, treating them like code to track changes and revert if necessary, ensuring design integrity. To maximize the benefits of this integration, adopt some best practices. Always maintain consistent naming conventions for your design components in Figma, mirroring your code structure where possible. Encourage designers to communicate significant design changes through GitHub pull requests, providing context for developers. Regularly synchronize your Figma design files with the GitHub repository to ensure everyone is working with the most up-to-date assets, fostering a truly collaborative and efficient environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.